Children, now let's solve the question below the poem. The anagrams on screen contain some words or phrases from the poem. Guess and tell what they are. Rainy tag. Try again. Arcade. Courage. Wet sir. Strive. Red raw. Reward. Tap knees. Patience. Serve beer. Persevere. On less. Lesson. Very good. Now I will show you some lines. You have to tell me which lines from the poem convey the message in these given lines. If you keep trying without a doubt, you shall win. Ma'am, it is for if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear. Good. It is not shameful to struggle hard. The line is, if we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Correct. When others can do the work, so can you, if you keep trying patiently. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? When you fail in your first attempt, make another one. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Well done. Children, now try to find antonyms, means opposite words, from the poem. Succeed, fail. Punishment, reward. Courage, fear. Stop or quit, try again. Lose, win. Very good. Now let's do a question answer session. I hope you have understood very well. So try to answer the questions in your own words. What lesson should be kept always in mind? The lesson, keep on trying again and again till you succeed, should be always kept in mind. What should someone who loses a race do? If someone loses a race, he or she should never give up and keep on trying till he wins. What quality is important when you are struggling for success? The qualities of hard work, patience, and courage are very important when you are struggling for success. When can success have a greater value? When you get it easily or with difficulty? When success is achieved with lots of difficulties, it has a greater value. Well done, children. Children, let's complete this web choosing points from the poem. What leads to success? Trying again. Patience. Strive. Persevere. Showing courage. Very good. Children, do you know what is a proverb? A proverb is a simple and concrete truth, which is universally accepted and frequently used. Most lines from the poem can serve as a truth or a proverb. Pick out such lines. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Very good. So I hope you must have learnt a lot from this wonderful poem written by W.E. Hickson.